Sprint planning meetings are really important for agile teams to be successful. They set the stage for a productive sprint by helping teams prioritize and plan out their work. And in this article, we'll look at why sprint planning meetings matter so much and talk about key things to do to make sure they go well. Sprint planning meetings are super valuable in agile development. They give the team dedicated time to all get together and decide on the goals and tasks for the upcoming sprint. Here's why they're so important. First, sprint planning meetings get everyone on the same page about what the sprint goals are. This shared understanding helps with transparency and working together. Second, these meetings set a clear roadmap for the sprint so team members can work efficiently and focus on delivering value to the customer. Third, sprint planning meetings allow the team to identify potential risks and blockers early that could impact finishing the sprint. Discussing these in the planning meeting means the team can proactively address them. Finally, these meetings facilitate good communication and collaboration among team members. Involving everyone in deciding what to work on means the team can leverage different perspectives and make sure all ideas and concerns are heard. To make sprint planning work well, you need to follow some key steps. First, come up with a clear sprint goal. What are you trying to achieve in this sprint? The goal should be specific and measurable, so the team knows what success looks like. When making decisions during planning, get the whole team involved. The Scrum Master or Agile coach should encourage everyone to share ideas openly, so all opinions get considered. Next, break the user's stories down into smaller tasks. Talking through each task together helps figure out what's needed to complete the story and estimate how long it will take. This way, you can see if the sprint workload seems realistic. Then estimate the effort for each task and prioritize the most important ones. The team has to decide what can get done in the sprint based on capacity. Schedule the high-priority stuff first. Overall, following a structure for planning with clear goals, collaboration, task breakdowns, and estimation sets the sprint up for success. But you need the team's active participation and open communication to make it work. Effort guessing plays an important role in sprint planning. It helps the team figure out how much work they can take on during the sprint. The team can use things like story points or time guesses to get a feel for the effort needed for each task. Once the tasks are guessed at, it's important to prioritize them based on their business value and connections between tasks. Capacity planning is crucial for making sure a realistic and doable sprint commitment. By thinking about team capacity, individual availability, and any external things that may impact productivity, the team can make an informed call about the number of user stories or tasks they feel they can finish during the sprint. Overpromising can lead to stress and lower quality, while underpromising may result in unused resources. Continuous improvement in sprint planning is important. Sprint planning shouldn't be seen as a one-time thing, but rather an iterative process. It is key to take in feedback and continuously improve sprint planning. Here are some practices to encourage continuous improvement. First, doing retrospectives after each sprint. Planning allows the team to reflect on what worked well and what could be better. This feedback can be used to refine sprint planning for future sprints. Second, reviewing and changing the definition of ready lays out what a user story needs before you can think about adding it to sprint planning. Looking at and tweaking the definition of ready on a regular basis helps make sure only good-to-go user stories make it into sprint planning. This smooths out the process and improves efficiency. Third, offering training or workshops on sprint planning techniques and best practices can improve the team's skills and understanding in this area. Encouraging team members to share what they know promotes ongoing learning and getting better.
Finally, keeping an eye on important metrics like sprint velocity, burn-down charts, and cycle time can provide useful insights into how the team is doing and help identify ways to enhance sprint planning. In summary, sprint planning meetings are a key part of agile development that helps teams define clear goals, prioritize tasks, and maximize productivity. By following the key steps outlined here and continuously working on the sprint planning process, teams can become more effective and consistently deliver value to their stakeholders.